Hello and welcome to the February announcement. I'm really excited because so far there's 2 products out there and the feedback has been amazing. So the first release was the Divi Design Guide Pro. For Divi users, these are all your modules designed for you. They're all mobile friendly and you can just drag and drop them. You don't have to design each and every module from scratch. So this makes the design process very, very easy. This is ideal for someone who has already designed a website and they just want to make it look consistent and fast. So this was very successful. In fact, the offer is still on right now as we speak. So just yesterday, Site Crafter 2 was released. The child theme allows you to design a brand new website from scratch fast. It has your basic pages that every website needs. It also comes with plugins that you have to use each and every time. These are your SEO plugins, your spam plugins, your security plugins, and so on. I'm also going to include the links to all of this in the video description below. And by the way, before I forget, so if you're a lifetime member, everything I'm going to be talking about is going to be for you for free. Anyway, so let's continue on. In the pipeline, I am excited to talk about the Divi UI kit. So these are your pre-designed sections which you can just drag and drop as you're building your website. I think this is going to be a game changer because you can imagine if you're trying to design a brand new website, going in and designing the module and then making sure all the colors are in place and the spacing and making sure everything is mobile friendly can be time consuming. So this is going to make things very, very easy. So the UI kit can be used pretty much on any website. And the good thing is you can upload them into the Divi Cloud, which means you can use them on any other website that you may want to start to design. So this is next in the pipeline, and I'm really, really excited about this. Now, after the Divi UI kit, we are going to be working on the Woolcrafter theme. So last year, this was very, very popular. A lot of you loved it because this enabled you to just design a WooCommerce website up and running just by a few clicks, and before you know it, you had a professionally designed WooCommerce website. All you had to do is to go in and change some images, update the fonts and the colors, and pretty much you are good to go. So these are the 2 major products in the pipeline. Now, regarding the main website itself, the funnels to income, I'm pretty sure when you look at it, you can say it's not really up to date. So I am really working on the root of the website because at the moment I have the members on Facebook groups and all of that. And to be honest with you, it's quite difficult to manage what's happening on Facebook and then trying to do it on the website as well. So I decided to have a community on the Funnels to Income website. So for this, I'm going to be using BuddyBoss. I tried this a few years ago. It didn't work really well because the hosting that I was using was not very good. So the experience was bad for all of the members. But now I've upgraded my hosting to Cloudways and it is much, much faster. So definitely this is going to work much, much better. So I would rather have the community all in one place where I can manage it. And also you get to interact with others on the same platform, because as I mentioned, having it on Facebook page or Facebook groups, it's not just working for me. So I don't want it to appear as if I'm inviting everyone to the Facebook group, but I don't even participate. Or it may come across like I don't even care. So at least if it's on the website, I can see some notifications, and it also encourages you guys to share information and discuss web-related topics. So far, this is what's in the pipeline. I'm also going to continue with the live workshops. So for all of you lifetime members, the live workshops are going to be continuing, which is brilliant. So the idea with the Funnels to Income membership website is to give you the tools and also the inspiration to design professional looking websites with the most popular tools out there. Now, I know right now I'm mainly focusing on Divi, but on my YouTube channel, I also want to play around with other page builders. I'm sure I've mentioned this before, so I'm going to start playing around with Elementor. Now, the reason why I'm doing this is to give you an insight to other products out there. This is not a Divi versus Elementor or Bricks versus Divi or any of that. This is just to use these tools because as designers, it's very exciting to use different tools, try different things out and see what sort of websites and layouts that we can create. So that's what's going to be happening on my YouTube channel. So don't feel like I've changed ship, and definitely now Elementor or Bricks Builder or whatever page builder I'm going to be talking about is the new thing now, and Divi is no more. No. I've also had some emails where I had very concerned members saying, does this mean that Divi is not good anymore? No, please. This is just me experimenting, playing around with new tools just to see what works better. And this is also good because it gives you an idea of how these page builders work, in case you may have a client maybe who has invested in Elementor or the Bricks Builder or whatever page builder it is. So if you have an idea of how this works, this is perfect for you. So far, this is what you need to look forward to: the Divi UI kit and Woolcrafted 2. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comments box below, and I'll do my best to respond to them. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.